Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at Walgreens about to get into some of the best deals that you can do here this week. And Walgreens is fire this week. We got some really hot deals, especially on Dove where we are standing. So my goal this week is to use this point booster right here. That is spend $40, get back $20. You guys, that is an amazing booster. So we definitely have to put that booster to work. So that is why I am here. And we have some really good options to really maximize that for a really nice money maker. So the first thing we're actually going to be grabbing is the Dove deodorant. So these are on a spend 20 get back 5 register reward promo. I'm not going to be doing that, but I am going to be grabbing 2 of the cheaper Dove deodorants. So we're going to grab 2 of these Dove deodorants for $5.49. Buy one, get one 50% off. That's going to total us up to $8.23. Then we have a $7.50 off digital coupon that will make it only 73 cents for 2 of those deodorants. Next thing I'm going to be grabbing is this deal on the Dove body wash. This is probably the deal of the week. So we love to stock up on the cheap Dove. These are $7 each. 2 of them will total us up to $14. We got a $7 digital coupon, bring us down to $7 to pay at the register. Then we're going to get back $4 in a register reward, making these only $1.50 each. So I hit the clearance jackpot on this L'Oreal Elvive shampoo. These are marked down to just 49 cents each in my store. We do have a $3 digital coupon that's not going to apply since these will only be like 98 cents, but I can submit over to the coupons app or shop me them for that $3. So I'm gonna get back $3 in cash for these, making them a $2 moneymaker. And these are perfect because I'm gonna need a filler in my next transaction. Next thing I'm going to be grabbing is some L'Oreal skincare. So I'm going to be using those $10 digital coupons that I talked about last week. If you need a filler item, these are going to be my filler item that are going to make my deal a low out of pocket. So we're going to grab 2 of these items. I'm going to get one for $16.99 and one for $18.99. Buy one, get one 50% off, and we will get $20 off 2 of them. All right, you guys, so this is going to be my first transaction right here. So I am going to be doing 2 different spin boosters. I have a spin 50, get back 10, and I have the spin 40, get back 20. Because of that, I'm going to be using these high value digital coupons to bring my out of pocket down so I have a low out of pocket. So I'm going to be using the L'Oreal digital coupons that I talked about in last week's video. I saved them for this week so that they could help me out this week. So we're picking up 2 of the L'Oreal products. This one is $16.99. This one is $18.99. They're buy one, get one 50% off. These I'm going to use as a filler item, these L'Oreal Elvive, because they are 49 cents each. I'm going to submit over to the coupons app for $3 back. Those 2 are going to be a $2 moneymaker. And then we have our Dove and we have our deodorant. And I'm super excited because these digital coupons are working. Even though I have different scents of everything, those digitals are still coming off. So this totals out to $50.69 before any coupon. So I am clear to get back $30 in Walgreens cash for this transaction. And I'm also going to get back $3 in cash for the L'Oreal Elvive. So after these 2 register rewards and the point booster for $10, those are the only paper that I'm going to be using, I should get back $30, a $4 register reward, and $3 from the coupons app. And then I'm going to scan over to Fetch to see what I get back for the Dove. All right, you guys, so here is a close-up of my receipt. This is probably one of the most beautiful Walgreens transactions I have ever done, and it was all digital. So there is the 2 Dove, there's the 2 L'Oreal, there's the Elvive, and the 2 Dove body wash. The 2 $5 are my register rewards that I rolled in from last week's laundry deal. The 2 $10 are my digital coupons for the skincare. Then I have the 2 $7 digitals for the Dove products. And then after that, I paid $6.19, and I did pay that out in cash. So I paid out, when you add back in that $10 in register rewards, I paid out $16.19 for this transaction. So for this transaction, I got back a total of $37.50, $30.50 in Walgreens cash, $4 in a register reward, and $3 from the coupons app. Then I spent out $16.19. That makes my final cost for this little transaction a $21 moneymaker. Yes, yes, y'all. Y'all know I don't be having a lot of register rewards. So what I need to do is do a quick transaction so I could get at least one more register reward to help with the out of pocket for my next transaction because I'm not feeling paying a lot of out of pocket. So I actually have a store coupon for $5 off that I got from this clearance deal that I posted on my Instagram for this clearance Excedrin. This is such an easy moneymaker if this product is on clearance at your store. After my digital coupons, I paid out 28 cents and got back this $5 store coupon. I'm gonna use that $4.72 moneymaker to pay for this Burt's Bees deal. So these are $5 each. So I'm gonna pick up two of them for $10. Use the 5 off of 2 digital coupon and that $5 store coupon, I should pay 0. Then I'll get back a $4, hopefully a manufacturer register reward that I can use in my next deal. And of course, if you did not have this $5 store coupon, the cost for these would be only 50 cents each, which is a really good price actually if you like this brand. All right, you guys, so that worked out perfectly. Here is a close-up of my receipt. So there is the two Burt's Bees, the $5 store coupon, the digital coupon came off, and we paid out 0 and got back our $4. And that one is a manufacturer register reward. So now I got $8 to help me in my next transaction. So I am not going to be able to grab 2 more deodorant in my next transaction because my store only had 2 more of the $5.49 ones left. But no worries, we are going to get some more filler items to bulk up my next transaction. But in my next transaction, I only got to spend $40 because my next booster, both of them are $40, so we should be good. So for my next transaction, I'm going to get one of these Cremo shave creams. These are $6.79. I'm going to be using the $5 digital coupon that'll make it $1.79. I don't need any Head and Shoulders, but the Head and Shoulders is a good deal this week if you do need it. So these are $6.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. When you buy 2, you're going to get back a $4 register reward. We do have a $3 digital coupon, so you'll end up paying $7.48 at the register, but then getting back $4 in a register reward, making your final cost just $3.48 or $1.74 each. I'm also going to be grabbing 2 of these Dawn dish soaps. So these are $1.24 each. 2 of them will total us up to $2.48. I'm going to get back a $1 register reward for buying 2, making them just 74 cents each. I'm also going to be grabbing this Airborne Advance. So this is on clearance at my store. It's been on clearance for a couple weeks for $4.79, but now we have a $4 digital coupon that will make it only 79 cents. All right, you guys, so this is going to be my next transaction. I think I'm actually going to hold these Dawn. I thought I was going to need them as a filler item, but doing my math, I should be right at $40 before my coupon, so I should actually be good without them. So I should be at $40.06 before my coupons. I got $20 in digitals here. I have a $4 digital here and a $5 digital here. And we are also going to be using these 2 $8 register rewards. So without the register rewards, not $8, they're $8 total, so $4 register rewards. But without the register rewards factored in, my out of pocket would be $11. Because I'm going to be rolling those in, my out of pocket should be about $3. And then I should get back $20 for my point booster and another $8 in Walgreens cash for this paper point booster. So let's see how this deal goes. All right, you guys, so that was another beautiful transaction. It worked out perfectly, all digital. So there's our 2 L'Oreal, there's our Airborne, there's our Cremo. There is the 2 $4 register rewards that we use, the 2 $10 digital coupons, the 5 and the 4 are Cremo and Airborne digital coupons. We paid out $3.06 plus tax, and I got back $28 in Walgreens cash, and I also got me some more boosters for next week. But $28, you guys. This transaction was a $17.34 profit. So you guys, 17 plus 21 in the first transaction, I have made $38 in profit today at Walgreens, and I have spent less than $10 out of pocket. You guys, this has been beautiful. Now we're going to do one more transaction and we will be on our way. What I'm going to be grabbing is some 4 for $9 laundry items. So these are going to be $2.25 each. No coupons that I'm going to be using. I'm just going to be working this in with my money makers for my next transaction. I'm also going to grab some of the Walgreens brand bags. So these are $2.79. Buy one, get two free. So this is going to be my next transaction. And this transaction, I am going to be spending a little bit of the money that we've earned in those first 2 transactions to get the products that I really need and want. So in this deal, I'm going to make sure this total is around $20 after coupons so that I can use $20 in Walgreens cash. Now I should get back $5 for a booster that I have on my account. And I should also get back $4, another $4 for the Dove. So after I spend back the 20, I should get back 9, making the final cost for these items, the Tide, the Bounce, the Dove, and the 3 boxes of sandwich bags, only $11. All right, you guys, so that worked out perfectly. There is my 3 sandwich bags, my 2 Dove body wash, my 4 laundry items, my $7 digital for the Dove. After my taxes, I paid out $20 in Walgreens cash. My total was $20.85, so I just had to pay 85 cents out of pocket. And then I got back my $4 register reward and the $5 for the booster that I had on my account, making that transaction cost $11. I also forgot to mention in store that right now we have a code for 2 free 5x7 photo prints. So you can do an online order for these and pick them up while you're shopping. I gotta go ahead and place my order tonight, but here is the code up on the screen. So you guys, this was a $27 moneymaker day at Walgreens using all digital coupons with a low out of pocket. This was a good day at Walgreens. We made $38 in our first couple transactions. We spent out 11 of those dollars to get our household items, you guys. So good at Walgreens. So let me know if you have any questions. Let me know down below what you are picking up at Walgreens this week. Is there something I need to go back for this week since we do have a little money that we've made this week? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.